Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna be fixing this radio. It's kind of messed up. Let's see if we can turn the. It's not turning. Whoa. Here. Maybe a rusty. Yeah, make sure to subscribe. This isn't working though. Well, the snooze button is a broke. Shush, cars, be quiet. Yeah, I can't fix anything. Alright, let's go check if it works. Alright, this is how you fix a radio. Alright. Looks like it's pretty good. Looks like it's gonna work doggone great. Here, let's shut the garage. What are you looking at? Bow down to me, slave. Alright guys, so the radio is working, so we just gotta add a few more things to it and then it might just start working again. So what you're gonna do is the speaker might be messed up. That's okay. So you're gonna take a Alright guys, so that's how you fix a radio. Let's go. It looks pretty nice, doesn't it? Alright, so I think we got the we got the speaker here. We can blare some booms. Yeah, hold on, I gotta fix this. Yeah, it looks fixed. Oh, I forgot. Got the monitor screen. Yeah, forgot about that. Here. Alright. Hey guys, thanks for a lot of views on Beautiful Burger. If you don't know what that video is, you should check it out. And yeah. Oh, look. So anyways, thanks for the views. Yep, this is doing great. Alright, I'm gonna go plug this in, and yeah, you guys should. Oh no. Alright guys, you should go check out some of my other videos. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I know what I'm doing, so don't hate me. Here, we gotta connect the wires before it explodes. Yeah, now the wires are disconnected. Alright, guys, did pretty good. Alright, like, comment, and most of all, subscribe.